The next part of the section is looking at circles. So we have a couple different definitions that we need to look at first. The diameter of a circle is the line segment that goes all the way across the circle and through the center. So it would look like that. It goes all the way through. The radius is the line segment that goes from the edge of the circle to the center. So the radius would be like that. The length of the radius is half that of the diameter. Okay, so we have the circumference of a circle, and this is really just a fancy name for the perimeter of a circle. So that would be the outside of a circle. And we have two different formulas for the circumference of a circle. We have pi times diameter, or 2 times pi times the radius. So because 2 times the radius gives you the diameter, that's why you can use either of these. Now pi is approximately 3.14. So it's possible that on March 14th you celebrated Pi Day. We actually have a pi key on the calculator, and it's right above the caret key. So the caret key looks like that. It's right above the division key. But you have to press second and then the caret key, and that will get you the pi. And then we also have the formula for the area of a circle, which is pi times the radius squared. Okay, so they want us to find the circumference and the area of these circles. So for 11, my circumference is going to be 2 times pi times the radius. So they provided the radius here. This is r is equal to 6. So I wanted to use this version of my formula. And rounding to the nearest tenth, this is 37.7 inches. Now for the area, this is going to be pi times the radius, which is 6 squared. So pi times 6 squared, we get 113.1 square inches. So even though the shape is a circle, my area is still given in square inches because it's still a two-dimensional measurement. Okay, on number 12, they're actually providing us with the diameter. So the diameter is equal to 11. So for my circumference, it's going to be pi times 11. So I'm using this formula. And we get 34.6 centimeters. Next I want to find the area, which means I need to use this formula, which means I actually need to know what the radius is. So the radius is just half of the diameter. So half of 11 would be 5.5. So my area is pi times 5.5 squared. So if I type that in on the calculator and round to the nearest tenth, then we get 95.0 square centimeters.